Alright guys, bobbing with Matt here. Got the Indian Scout bobber. Last video I had the Tab Performance exhaust put on. Today we're going to go ahead and change out these handlebar grips with these Vans X Cult red handlebar grips. Alright, process pretty straightforward. Allen key that comes with your bike under the seat. Goes on the end of the handlebars here. Just got to give them a quick loosen. Your mirrors will slide right out. We'll do that for both sides. And then I am going to just cut off these old handlebars because I'm never going to use them again. Alright, so both handlebar end mirrors are removed. I took my very sharp carpet knife and I just gave yourself a quick cut. Alright, again, if your hand's there, get your hand out of the way. Don't want to lose digits. And then this just really just peels right off. Alright, so as you can see, it's going to peel off, so I'm going to continue working that. There's a little lip right here, so I just want you guys to see this last little bit. Just get right through that, and there you go. The old comes right off. There is adhesive in there, so put a little oomph into it. I just had a lot of adhesive build up right there in the end. So I'm going to take my knife and clean that up because I don't want that under the new grips. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. I'll get the other one off. We'll see you back in just a minute. Alright guys, so we got the original handlebars covers off. That's all done. Alright, it does leave a bit of adhesive on there. A little bit of the rubber stays behind. I'm not too terribly worried about it because that's just going to give the new grip something to grip onto. But if it's built up in a couple spots, you know, you don't want to be like the princess and the pea. You don't want to feel it. So you can go ahead and clean some of that off. This side had a big chunk on there where they installed a lot of glue, a lot of adhesive. So I went ahead and just took my box cutter and cleaned most of that up. So now all I got to do is I'm going to use this hairspray, Mega Aussie. Alright, but first I got to get the ends of these cut out. So what I'm going to do is just put a little star in there and then go around and cut out what I need. So that way the end of the handlebar mirrors will fit on nice and easy. There are two different sizes. Okay, so the smaller size is going to go on your left side, right, your clutch side, okay, and then your bigger side is going to go over here on your throttle side. So we're going to go ahead and get that going. All right, so I got the throttle side on. All right, I'm just going to show you how I did that on the clutch side. So again, hairspray. You just want to work quick here. So I'm just going to spray from the side that's going to slip over the handlebar, just a little bit. Because it's going to push it in as you go up, and this is going to act as a lubricant. Watch this. It's that easy, right? Now once it dries, it's going to be an adhesive. So now all I got to do is take my bar end mirror, right? Work that back in, and then I'll get my Allen key, tighten it down, get everything adjusted, and then I'll show you guys the final product. All right? So. Looking good so far. I'm loving the red. It is cherry. Alright, so I'll be back in a minute. Vans X Cult red, blood red, I guess. Not really sure what color these were. Alright, they look pretty good to me. Feel pretty good. This one's a little, wants to turn, so I may revisit that if that hairspray doesn't dry up real good. I'm assuming once that hairspray dries, this one's on there tight. Alright. But that's the view from here. I dig it. I really like it. I think it adds to the bike's character, gives it a little bit of color without taking away from that bobber style. That's it. Pretty simple mod. You know, only rode the bike a couple times down the road, and the handlebars were not great. But yeah, the color is ox blood, in case you want to know, and it kind of matches my gloves, so that's cute, as my wife would say. All right, so that's it. Thanks, guys.